In this tutorial, we will learn about the process of picking a delivery. The picking process involves taking goods from storage location and staging the right quantity in picking area where the goods are prepared for shipping. First, choose the shipping space. To open the app, select Manage Outbound Deliveries. Select for picking. Enter the shipping point. Select only picking without warehouse management. Choose Execute. Based on the specified selection criteria, a list of deliveries available for picking displays. Select the outbound delivery you want to pick. Change outbound deliveries. The picking status is not yet picked. Choose picking. If batch splits exists, choose batch split exists. To expand sub-item in the picked quantity field, enter the quantity equal to delivery quantity for sub-item. In the picked quantity, enter 1. Choose save. The delivery document is saved successfully. Thank you.